This module explores the Commentaries screen, including searching and related Bible chapters and how commentaries integrate with the Bible. To open the Commentaries screen, tap the quill and ink icon. The app will take a few seconds to load. Please do not touch anything during this time. The commentary screen is divided into three parts. The top part of the screen shows the commentary search facility. Beneath this is a list of all the books in the Bible by chapter. The commentary versions panel will appear at the bottom when activated. To use a commentary, you must first download it to your device by marking it, then syncing. Tap the All Versions control at the top. A panel will appear at the bottom of the screen showing a list of available commentary versions. If a version has an orange cloud next to its name, it means you need to add it to your device. Tap on the cloud icons for each commentary you wish to use, then tap the Sync button. The Sync screen will appear. Make sure you are connected to the internet, then tap the green icon. The app will download the commentaries and display a completed message when done. You can search one or more commentaries at once by entering a word or phrase at the top of the screen. Tap the Enter button on the keyboard or tap the magnifying glass at the top right. A list of results will display showing the related Bible references, an excerpt of the text, and the commentary version. Swipe down to view all the results. Tap on the search result to view the full text. This panel displays the full commentary text. Swipe down to read all the content. Some entries will show as Bible references. You can tap on these to open the Bible screen. The search facility lets you order your results and enlarge the text size. Tap on the right arrow to view all these options. Filters allow you to find specific results for a particular commentary. Tap the All Versions control at the top and a panel will appear at the bottom. By default, All Versions is selected, but you can change that to choose one or more commentaries. Tap Done when you are finished, then tap the magnifying glass to start the search. You can choose to only show commentaries that are written in your chosen language. This ties with the settings tutorial. Swipe down to find a Bible book chapter, then tap on it. A list of matching results will display. To return to the chapters list, tap the arrow on the top left. Commentaries also work directly within the Bible screen. This creates an all-in-one learning solution when reading the Bible. Tap on a verse to view the Bible toolbar. Tap on the commentary icon, which looks like a quill dipped in ink. A list of matching results will show for all downloaded commentaries. Tap on a result to view the full text. The Bible search panel lets you search the Bible versions, dictionaries, and commentaries. Tap on the control to view and select these options. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.